Hello, in front of me I've got ACER Electric Scooter Series 5. In this video I'll tell you what is the maximum range of this scooter. So this scooter in both versions with 350 watts motor and 500 watts motor have the maximum range of 60 kilometers. Of course, the range can be a little bit smaller or a lot smaller if the driver is heavier than expected and when the weather conditions are not supportive to this scooter. For example, it's very slippery or it's windy to your front of the scooter. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.